Welcome to the Pin Drop Galley kitchen. We have our 2-burner propane stove pulled out here, and we have this, this is the upgraded hardware edition, so we have some really great hardware from Sugatsune. Some convenient hooks here, a little swivel hook up here. This is our prickly edition, so we have this beautiful artisan designed prickly pear panel that's sort of incorporated into different design elements throughout the pin drop. We have 12 gallons of freshwater storage right here, operated by a hand pump, over 16 square foot of countertop space. This particular unit has a fridge right here, which is great to keep those sandwiches from getting soggy. And we have lighting throughout, so we have overhead lighting and under cabinet lighting, just like so. And we have our charging docks right here, 2 USB ports, 1 cigarette lighter adapter right here. And if you need shore power, we got 110 right here if you need it for a blender or coffee grinder or whatever you need. So this is a completely self-contained super camper that's going to offer you a great camping experience in the great outdoors.